You can see when emitter plate is heated, electrons are emitted and are collected on the collector plate. In another animation, you can see when ultraviolet rays are incidented on the metal plate, the electrons are emitted. No more. In No more. In 1887, it was found that certain metals, when irradiated by ultraviolet light, emitted negatively charged particles having small speeds. Also, certain metals, when heated to the high temperature, were found to emit negatively charged particles. The value of E by m of these particles was found to be same as that for cathode rays particles. J.J. Thomson in 1897 named these particles as electrons and suggested that they were fundamentally universal constituents of matter. No more. Now we can see the experimental setup of J.J. Thomson's experiment. No more. In 1913, the American physicist R. A. Millikan (1868 to 1953) performed a pioneer oil drop experiment for the precise measurement of the charge of electrons. He found that the charge on an oil droplet was always an integral multiple of the elementary charge, 1.602 into 10 raised to power minus 19 Coulomb. Millikan's experiment established that electric charge is quantized. From the value of charge E and specific charge E by m, the mass m of the electron could be determined.